Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Kelvin here. In this video, I will show you how to use Gemini to buy your favorite cryptos like Bitcoin, Dogecoin, whatever coins that you think that can make you a millionaire. Not financial advice, yeah? I will tell you how to sign up, find your account, buy cryptos. Then, if you have paper hands, I will also tell you how to sell your cryptos and withdraw the money out. Finally, I will also give you some tips and tricks on using Gemini. So let's not waste any time and let's start right now. Signing up is super easy, barely an inconvenience. All you got to do is scroll down, click on the Gemini link to sign up. At the top right side, click on Get Started, fill in all your info. If you are from Singapore, you'll be able to use SingPass to fill your info. Otherwise, just manually fill them in. After that, you will need to verify your identity by submitting your passport photo. And I will bet that it's the only time this year that we get to use our passports. Alright, once you completed the sign up, the next step is to find your account. On the left side, click Add Funding Source to start trading. Here, you'll get 3 choices. Automatically linked bank account is out because it's not available for Singaporeans. Don't use debit card also because they will charge you a godlike 3.49% fee. To put things in perspective, if you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, they will eat $34.90 immediately. So don't use debit card to pay. Save the money and treat yourself to a nice fish at the Cai Fan store. So you can only choose manually linked bank account. Click Get Started, click SGD, enter your phone number, enter passcode, then click Next. Then you will need to link your First bank account. Once you have done that, click Continue, then make a deposit. Choose your currency. I'll be depositing SGD, then click Continue. Alright, the next step is to add your First account into your bank. I'm using POSB, so let me show you how to do it in POSB. As you can see, we are in POSB now. Mouse over transfer, click to other bank account fast. For recipient's name, go to Gemini, copy First Private Limited, go back to POSB, paste it in. For recipient's bank, mine shows CIMB Bank Berhad, so in POSB, I will choose CIMB Bank Berhad. For recipient's account, go to Gemini, copy the account number, return back to POSB and paste it in. Then choose the account which you want to transfer from. For transfer amount, let's start with $1 million. Just kidding, I sell kidney, sell house, also don't have that much money. So let's try $100 instead. For purpose of transfer, just choose anything you want, it doesn't really matter. For comments, fill in anything that you want. Click Next, make sure everything is alright, then submit. Alright, once you are done, you will need to wait for a few minutes for the transfer to complete. If you are using a newly linked bank account, the transfer may take up to 48 hours. So let's wait for a while for your funds to arrive. Once your funds have arrived, Gemini will send you an email that looks something like this. In summary, it says, 陆伟瑞来了, what lah? Now, here's a step which you have been waiting for, which is how to buy your cryptos and what big. But before that, I have something to tell you, and that is, tap the like button to help support the channel. Thank you. Next, the second thing which I have to tell you is about the trading fees. There are basically 2 types of trading fees. If you use a normal web or mobile to buy and sell cryptos, you'll be charged a godlike 1.49% when the amount is more than $200, which is super expensive. Like if you buy $1,000 worth of Bitcoin, Gemini straight away eat away $14.90. But luckily, there's a way to reduce your trading fees, and that's by using Active Trader. I will show you what's Active Trader in just a minute. But just know that if you use Active Trader, the fee will only be 0.35% instead of 1.49%. Huge savings! Okay, to enable Active Trader, at the top right side, click Account, click Settings, scroll down a bit. Right now, we are using the basic version. To change to Active Trader, click on Active Trader and you are done. If you go back to the main page, you will see this cool dark mode, and this is Active Trader. I don't know about you, but seeing all the graphs and numbers always makes me feel like a pro investor, like I'm Warren Buffett or something. Jokes aside, I will now show you how to buy Bitcoin with SGD. To do that, you need to choose the correct trading pair first. Click this pair, then search for BTC SGD. Then click BTC SGD. Next, you will see 3 different trading types. We will just leave it as continuous. Next, there are quite a few order types, but the main ones we will be using is limit and market order. I will quickly explain these two. For limit order, you are able to set what price you want to buy at. Maybe you can try to lowball like what you always do in Carousel. You only want to buy at $10,000. Sure, you might be able to get Bitcoin at a very cheap price, but the risk is that you might never get it and Bitcoin goes to 500k tomorrow. Then you will know the meaning of cry until no tears. So the moral of the story is, try to set a reasonable price if you are using limit order. Next, if you use market order, you will buy Bitcoin immediately at whatever is the market price. Okay, yeah? As you can see here, you will get Bitcoin at around 48k. Then enter in how much SGD you want to use. Since I have $100 here, I'll be YOLOing that entire $100 into Bitcoin. As you can see, I will get 0.002 Bitcoins and the fee is around 0.35. Click buy, then confirm. Up here, you will see that you bought 0.002 Bitcoins. If you want to see your account balance, click see all balances. Next, your Bitcoin is here. You can also come to this page by clicking on accounts, then balance. Next, I will show you how to paper hands and sell your Bitcoins. Let's go back to the main page first. Selling is exactly the same steps as buying. First, choose the correct currency pair, but it's just sell instead. For order type, I will choose market order, but you can choose whichever you prefer. Then enter in how many Bitcoins you want to sell. Once you are done, click sell, then confirm. Alright, that's for selling your Bitcoin. As you can see, my $100 become $99.21. And that's why you don't paper hands. But let's imagine your cryptos went to the moon. You just become a millionaire. And is ready to retire at some beach, maybe Sentosa Beach, because we won't be able to travel overseas for a very long time. Anyway, to withdraw, at the top right side, click transfer, withdraw from Gemini. Choose your currency, click continue. Select where you want to transfer to. Then enter in how much you want to transfer, then request withdrawal. The withdrawal will take about 1 business day to complete. Alright, that was a quick tutorial on how to buy Bitcoin. Now, I'll share with you some tips and tricks on how to use Gemini. And this is very important, you must enable two-factor authentication on Gemini. This is so that even if someone stole your password, your account can still be protected. Here's how to enable 2FA. At the top right side, click Account, click Settings, click Security, then add your 2FA. Third, even with 2FA, there's a possibility that people who have access to your computer have access to your account. To prevent this, when logging in, just leave remember my email address as unchecked. Then, when entering SMS code, uncheck remember this device. Alright, so that's all for today. Hopefully, you find this video useful. Like, share, and subscribe as I'll be posting new videos every Monday and sometimes Friday.